Heather, so part of the new year is new laws going into effect. And one of those shifts is responsibility of plastic pollution from the consumer to the producers. And joining us to break down what it all means is Rachel Maki-Wagner. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thanks so much, Mike. It is so great to be here. Thanks for having me.
So talk about this bill. It's SB 54. How does it shift responsibility to businesses that use and produce plastic?
So this is really innovative legislation. We all throw our plastic packaging, all of those boxes from our holiday orders into our recycle bin.
Sure.
And we expect them to be recycled. Unfortunately, a lot of what that turns into is waste. It doesn't end up recycled. So what we have done in California is said to the manufacturers, you need to design your packaging products to be recycled and make sure that that infrastructure is there, that those recycling factories are there, and that product is actually being turned into something new.
Yeah, and again, so there are guidelines out there for companies to follow specifically.
Exactly. So we're starting a process in the coming weeks to develop those rules for the companies and to work with their product responsibility organization to build that plan on how they're going to make sure all of that recycling infrastructure is in place and making sure that all of their products meet the 65% recyclability requirements per California law.
Yeah, and again, there are milestones to all of this that you'd like to achieve, and even though it sounds like 2032 is far off, it really isn't that far away.
It really isn't that far away when you think about making sure that we have all of the collection infrastructure in place, all of the factories for processing and recycling, and then for remanufacturing. It's going to take a few years to build that out, and so this gives the manufacturers plenty of time to work together to build that structure for a fully circular economy for California.
Okay, see, I like that. I've heard you say that terminology before, a circular economy. So what exactly is that?
So California is on the cutting edge of building a circular economy. And what that means is that everything that we make, everything that we buy, everything that we sell, and everything that we recycle has a fully circular life, meaning that when I buy a carton of milk, that carton, when it goes into the recycling bin, gets recycled and gets turned into, hopefully, a new carton. And that happens over and over and over again. Our beverage container recycling program just expanded to include wine bottles and distilled spirit bottles. When you think about glass is imminently recyclable.
Sure.
So we have 2 recycling plants here in the Central Valley. The Gallo family has just built a huge recycling plant in Modesto, and they are going to be making the majority of California's wine industry's wine bottles, and they can do it over and over and over again because they are taking those used wine bottles, recycling them, and turning them into new glass. So that's what we're talking about. We want every single packaging, every bottle, every can, every carton, every Amazon box, we want all of it recycled.
Yeah, sounds like a daunting task, but clearly you always have to start at step 1.
Exactly,
Yeah.
exactly. It's only daunting if you try to take on all of the pieces at the same time.
Sure. Absolutely. Rachel, we appreciate your time this morning. Thank you so much for stopping by.
I appreciate the opportunity. Happy New Year, Mike.
Happy New Year as well.